Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. This is the final time tonight. I gotta thank, we did 8 train videos there today. We had 3 at Quality End, 3 at Oil Creek Plastics, and 1 at Charter Plastics, and 1 at the RTI building. No, we actually did. No, wait. No, we did. No, we actually did a light power train for almost 30 minutes. They'll be in there as well. And then everything else has been short today, but
you know, the big thing, one of the big things that's inside is that it would get, too cold and you couldn't just slump it down. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't put this in the big things. Yeah, man. Yeah, look. Hey, Chris, Piglet, come get this fool. We're gonna let you go. Wait, I'm sorry things aren't working out there.
And
no, they're working out.
also, actually, we also did get 1 in Save-A-Lot.
He said don't put the...
Actually, we did. Yeah, no, we did 2 at Quality End, 1 at RTI, 1 at the Charter Plastics, 1 in Save-A-Lot, and 3 in the Oil Creek Plastics. I only going like 3 spots in the OC&T other than Titusville to get the trains. That includes like the Ren Farm and Petroleum Center for the Oil City trains, and East Titusville for the Oil Creek Plastics and the tanker place. But so we gotta thank the RTI for being on the Train Expert channels, along with the Bayless Fuel Service and Save-A-Lot, Quality End, and Oil Creek Plastics. Like I said, it's been all about grain hoppers and light powers. I think there's like 2 Fridays in a row with that. So also we gotta thank Save-A-Lot for doing for being part of us here with the groceries, and we also gotta thank Drakewell with the exercising here. We haven't done any of the, as I said, we haven't done any exercises over there in a couple of years, since right before the pandemic hit. And then
or you can take the small box, in which you have even less clues. There are no clues about the small box.
So, and then them light powers today haven't been struggling because they had one piece of a tree was fell, or the piece of the tree was over on the tracks on there, and then we also had one of them automobiles was close to the train tracks or something. That's why. And
I'll tell you what, how about I give you $500 to not take that small box? $1,000 to not take that small box. You prayed for that box. How did you even know that box was here?
And
It was gonna be some kind of box.
I'll give you $2,000 to not take that box.
Also, we got to thank GetGo for using the Wi-Fi's today. We haven't done those. We haven't done the GetGo in a week. Actually, it was last Monday, I believe, but I'm not sure.
Thank you so much, Brianna. Give her a big round of applause. Well, let's make a deal right after this.
Macy's One Day Sale has great deals of the day, like 60% off footwear from Martha Stewart collection, 65%
And then
off matching luggage sets, and comforter sets $19.99.
pretty good.
Plus Macy's Star Money bonus days are going on now.
So we had not much of a train event here today, but they're only pushing like one grain hopper and one grain hopper only today. Well, they actually had to pull in 2 hoppers at the plastics.
But you'll have to pay a deductible for each. A Medicare supplement plan can cover your deductibles and co-insurance.
Also, I have a premiere tonight at 7:30. It's to close out with a video as well. After a couple of trains over there, and then that was it.
Plus, Part D prescription drug
So
benefits. You get all this coverage for as low as a $0 monthly
that'll be something we like to see here, right here on the Train Expert channel. So the only premieres I had yesterday was the 2 on my regular page, but I won't have a premiere on my regular page until late next week. I'm only going to be off for almost a week on the regular, less than a week on my regular page.
In 15 years,
Or
you've drank about
something.
15,000 cups of coffee. So Colgate created new Optic White Pro Series
And
toothpaste with the power to remove 15 years of stains. For a Pro Series,
and then they were done for the day around 11 o'clock. Around 11 o'clock today. And that was interesting.
For strong protection that's always discreet.
Usually they were done for the day around 2 or 2:30, but instead they were done already around 11 o'clock. And
So, you found the number 7 then?
It's amazing.
so this is interesting. We like to see here on the Train Expert channel though.
And whatever's in the back.
It's already sold in the US.
But I'm not taking any chances. The UK's best
I already have like 25 subscribers on there on my train page, and then 10 subscribers on my regular. Between the 2 pages, I have over 35 subscribers.
on CBS. Constant change. New information. Breaking news. So much happening.
But remember, if you haven't all, but by the way, if you haven't already,
Coverage you can count is here.
please subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, along with my regular channel on YouTube. We add new train videos every week of the year.
Need a lawyer, but when our loved ones get hurt, they're who we depend on. We depend on them to be strong when we
Or
are
something, so
stand up to big companies who work against our best interest. Whether it's an auto or truck accident, workers'
So
comp
this
or
is gonna
Social
be
Security case, or a case of
interesting.
nursing
Sometimes we do bigger train events, sometimes we have smaller
One call,
train
we do
events,
it all.
Call
just like today, and then
1-800-293-1500.
Be sure to catch the Meadville weather camera
So-
on Erie News Now, overlooking South Bay.
also, by the way, we have to thank Subway for my lunches today.
What's happening on air and anytime online. The Meadville weather cam is brought to you by Bob Ferrando.
Like I said, I haven't had
Support those
Subway since last
Ukraine.
Tuesday, the one in Meadville, on the trainless day.
Welcome back to Fabulous Car Friday. Fabulous car worth over $41,000.
So,
Right now I need 2 people to make a deal with me. You right there, Vicky Lou. Come on.
pretty good train events here on
Let's go with Eric. Hey, Eric, we have Eric and Vicky. Come on,
So,
Vicky. Hey, Mrs. T.
pretty good.
You're a turtle with a lay, and you're Mrs.
They actually started the trains around
He's at my house.
either 8 or 8:30,
Oh, so Mr. T's a tortoise.
or yeah,
Oh, and that's what Mr. T looks like.
that's why.
Okay, so Vicky Lou, I've got a deal
So.
for you. This is your partner.
All right, we've been around for 10.5 minutes, so that's gonna be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube.
So, Eric, we have a
We'll
deal.
be back on Monday for more train videos. Again, don't forget I have a premiere tonight at 7:30
Whatever that person chooses, that's it.
on the
Vicky,
Train Expert channel.
You have to go with whatever. You have to use her sound judgment. So, Vicky Lou,
So.
do you want the big box or curtain number 3? Eric, you have no say in this. Vicky Lou, big box or curtain
So.
number 3?
So thanks for joining us here on Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. And by the way, if you like train videos, my Train Expert channel is the place to be. We just reached over 500 train videos on YouTube, and of the OC&Ts, Norfolk Southern, CSX, Canadian Pacifics, Canadian Nationals on there as well, and everything and everything else to enjoy. Trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out.
Now the leader. Keep what you
We just
have.
made over 200
Big box.
over 200
Jonathan
train videos with the Alco S2 units, and 300 and over 100 train videos with the former Canadian National units on there as well.
You can enjoy this new Vespa Primavera.
So.
Air-cooled 50cc engine, digital instrument panel, and unmistakable.
So that's going to be it for us today. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, and
Eric, you passed on a Vespa.
everybody have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday for more train videos.
You both get
Talk to you
this.
later.
Jonathan.